So this is how you can fix Instagram messages not available. So if you're facing this problem, then I assure you I can be able to help you. Let's open up Instagram and then move directly to our messages. So I'm going to be using this message as a guide. The first step or the very first tip that I have for you is by simply swiping left and tapping on unread. And then going ahead and open it up and your messages should appear over here. If that doesn't, then don't worry because we have two other steps that we can follow. So, the second tip for you is basically going into their profile by tapping on that and then unfollow them by simply doing that and refollowing them. Don't worry, your messages won't be deleted. It's going to be saved because you're not like blocking them or anything. You're just unfollowing them and then following them back. Once you do that, the messages should load. You can actually just go on ahead and go back to your messages and then open it back up and it should be there. Now, if that still doesn't work for some reason, this is the very, very best tip that I have for you. Go ahead and go back to your home screen and then delete the Instagram app. Yes, that's right, you have to delete the app because it probably needs an update. So, delete the app and then download it again from the App Store. If you don't want to delete it, that's fine as well. You could just go to the App Store and then search for Instagram and then update it from there if that's available. But if it's not and the problem is still pursuing, I do recommend deleting the app so that you can have a fresh restart and basically you will have a brand new Instagram app. So that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.